Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's tip. This week, I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how to use Canva. What's amazing about Canva is it turns you into a graphic designer very, very easily. Some people think, oh, graphics, doing this and that sounds really scary, like the idea of doing a brochure or anything like that. And the good news is Canva makes it really, really easy with all of these beautiful templates. So let's say that I want to create an Instagram post. Bam, all I have to do is click Instagram post. And then they have all of these different templates that I can choose from. So if you see the little free thing, that means you can use it and you don't have to pay. If there's not the free thing there, there's like, where are these? These are all free. Yay, today they're all free. If there's nothing written there that says it's free, then that means that you might have to pay $1 or something for an image or font or whatever it may be. But let's say, hello, little lobster. I like this layout. All I have to do is double click the words and change them. So here we go. Ready your website for the fall. Website cleanup. Don't forget your sales funnels. And then obviously the lobster, well, he's not going to fit in with these words that we've got here. So we can go ahead and change that. So here I've got a lovely computer. I can just drag the image over. And you can upload any of your images you want. Me see here, I've got a good amount of images uploaded. But bam, here we go. So now I've got a little image that I can use on Instagram to promote a next challenge that I have coming up soon. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with Canva. Now, let's say you want to do a brochure. All you need to do here is come in and you can see here in documents, you can pick the size document that you want. So A4 or US letter is pretty normal. I'm over here in Europe, so I'm going to use the A4. But what's really cool about these is if you look here, see that little number that pops up? That means there's actually 2 different versions. So I have a cover page and a program. And some of these even have up to 10. There's a lot of good ones in here. Most of these seem to have 2, but you can take your pick. There will be some that have 10, 4, 6, whatever it may be. Here you go. Here's one that has 10. And then bam, I can just drag it over. And if I want to add a new page, I just click new page. And then bam, I can add the new template. And again, same situation, I just go in and change the text. So it's that easy to create a PDF or an Instagram post, social media post. You can do covers for your social media, Facebook events, YouTube. They basically have anything that you need. Now, let's say your website says you need to use this size image and you're not sure which one to use here. All you have to do is click use custom dimensions and add in the width here. So let's say you've got a header that needs 1000 by 500. Bam, click design, and it opens up. And then what you can do is you'll notice here they just come out with these different layouts. You can also change the background image. You can add your brand colors. You can add different elements. You can add free photos. You can add frames. These are where you can add those little pictures to drag and drop them just like I did before. Let's go here. We can go to uploads. So you've got this on top, this on the bottom. Kudos, that's not a good picture. That's just an example of the different things you could do. Then they also have shapes, lines, illustrations. I can put this around here to give it a frame. I can put some squiggly lines in here. If I want to add a little spacer. This is a horrible, horrible design. But it can be anything we want. So here we have some illustrations. We can add some fun stuff in here. Let's go. How else can we make this? We can add charts. Bam. And then to edit the chart, we can just change the data here and the colors and so on and so forth. If you go, come on. item 1 value, you can change this. So let's say I want item 1 to be pizzas. Value is 100. And say I want item 2 to be pasta. And item 2 is 80. And let's say item 3 is gelato. Well, that's 200, obviously, and so on and so forth. So you get the idea. So I can change this charts and do whatever I want. And again, there's a lot more elements in here that you can use. There's amazing stuff in there. There's, oh, I know, I have the upgraded version. That's why you're seeing a lot of this free stuff. I have the upgraded Canva. The free Canva doesn't have all this, but as you can see here, like some of the stuff, they'll tell you how much it is and if you want to use it. And then what happens is you just click download and you can choose the file type. So if you're doing images for your website or social media, you want to do, I recommend a PNG. If you're doing something like this brochure, like for example, let's say you're using this for your freebie, you can use this download. You want PDF. That's what it's recommended. And then just click download and it does all that great stuff for you. So that's how Canva is so super amazing. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye, everyone.